Hello travel agents, welcome to the video. In this video, we will see how we are going to update our agency profile. So once you logged in, you can see the agency profile here. You will have to click on it. Once you do that, you are going to land on this page. Here you will have to enter all your company's detail. It is important because these all details are going to reflect on the quotation PDF, which you are going to share with your guest. So you will have to enter all the details here, like your agency name, your WhatsApp number. You already did. If you want to show up some alternate number on the PDF, you can do that as well. Your name, email ID, GST number, website, your address. These are all the optional part. If you don't have GST number, you can go ahead without that also. If you don't have website, it's not mandatory to put it. And here you can upload your company's logo. Once you do all this thing, you will have to click on save changes here. Once you do, your changes will get saved. In a second, you can see the bank details. You will have to enter all your bank details here, like your account number, account holder name, IFSC code, bank name. You can enter the UPI ID also here. You can upload the QR code. You can just download it from Google Pay or Phone Pay, and you can upload here. If you have some payment link, like if you are using some Razor Pay account, you can enter the payment link here. Once you do it, you will have to click on Save Changes here. Here is the inclusion exclusions part. So inclusion exclusions is like you might know that some inclusion exclusions are by default. So we have entered here already. If you want to do some changes, you can make some changes in the inclusion and exclusions part. You will also get an option to change at the time of creating quotation. So once you do all these things, you will have to click on Save Changes. After that, you can see the policy here. You can enter your company's policy, booking policy, cancellation terms and condition. We already had some policy over here. If you want to make some changes, you can do that as well. Once you do it, click on save changes and move to the next. Testimony. So testimony is important because it is going to reflect on the quotation also. So let's say, for example, if you are having some Google reviews, you can just copy paste here, and you can upload the photos also. You can upload multiple photos. So how to upload the photos here? Here you can see the photo icon button. You will have to click on it. You will be redirected to the local folder. There you can select the photo and upload here. So once you do all these things, you can click on save changes. Once you do it, you are ready to create the quotations now. Your agency profile got updated and you're good to go. Thank you so much. In the next video, we will see another topic. Thank you.